Bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi Nomagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni Umkositho namhlanje bazala bam. It's about funeral kaButvukile, guys. So he was laid to rest weekend esibuya kuye, and he had a beautiful send off, guys. Let me just post a speech uMthombeni asithule ngcwabeni kaButvukile amagama okugcina. I think this is the last message angayinika uButvukile. Umzimba wakhe usesekhona la emhlabeni ungakayi phansi komhlaba. So guys, let me just post the video and then I'll come back.
Ephithizela lapha kakhulu ufake isishweshwe futhi akaswenkile. Ngibe sengikhuluma noma yena ukuthi akafike nangi umayeni ukhona lapha. Angithi lapha kuthando nesithembu sayabona umayeni bethusana noButvukile. So ngithi sizoxolisa kakhulu uthando nesithembu ukuthi ayi lokho ngeke kusaphinde kwenzeke. Hayi ngoba umfowethu ehambile, ngoba njena siyaphilelana kanjalo. Kodwa lensizwa uvukile awuyangimela abafowethu kanzima, kunzima ngingakwazi ukukhuluma. Yama angazi noma wayema ngoba enesithembweni, kodwa wama wathi hayi number 5 angazi ke noma sengimthola. Ngeke mhlawumbe ngisamthola ngoba usehambile uvukile. Kanti bengicasha ngayo uvukile. Manje impilo sengizozibambela ngingedwa. Kodwa umuntu okhona la ngenhlanhla umayeni akakhulumi kabi ngokuthathwa ka number 5. Ukuthi nje wathi akazohlangana naye njengamanje, kusho ukuthi uyobuya hlangane naye. Asithandazele lokho nje bafowethu. Ngiyayithanda lensizwa. MC usuzongisusa lapha. Ungisusa kanjani indoda eganwe kangaka wena uganwe ngani? Ngoba phela kufuneka mina ngikhulume ngoba nginabafazi. Ngisakhulumela nje umacele. Sazokhulumela umayeni, khulumela uMakhumalo, khulumela uMangwabi. Bese ngithi bhasopa. Awu uyazi ukuthi isiboniso ngese uhamba noma mbovu ngiyakubingelela.
Bazala bam, I've been saying and I'll always say we are being too hard on Ubaba Msele. We are being too hard on Ubaba Msele. This person nje umuntu ozithandela nje uzihlekela. If umamela nespeech sakhe, it seems like he is not prepared. He was not prepared. Onje he wanted nje to lighten up the room, because if ukowashonela you know ukuthi lapho kulelo room lelo ufila kanjani. Ufila ngathi umhlaba wakho uyaphela, and the only thing that you need is umuntu ozokuthi nje akuhlekise kancane so that ukhohle just for 2 seconds ngenkinga zakho. So bamsele usende ukhuluma ispeech esibaleke kakhulu, and then a lot of people are saying why mele azafaka umayeni, why mele azakhulume ngomayeni. But I do understand, because the first time Tina we heard of uButvukile, it was last time bazothula number 5 kaMseleku, and umayeni wacela uButvukile cela ungasimosheli umuzi wethu kahle. But even the way bengayisho ngayo, it was jokingly, so it shows ukuthi uButvukile as much as buyindoda ehloniphekile, buyindoda enesidima, naye bakuyindoda enesithembu, but bokuwumuntu ojwayele ukuhleka, or bokuwumuntu ongakhuluma naye nje, bokungakuba lula ukukhuluma naye, because if he was very strict and he was the man laba bathi ba strict while they are abusing amakhosikazi, bongeke umayeni akhulume naye ngale ndlela akhulume ngayo, you get. And what I loved, Umayeni was there. I didn't see amanye amakhosikazi. Guys, I saw a video where Ubaba Msele kwabala amakhosikazi wakhe khona, but azange abantu makhwele. Mhlamba akabalanga makhwele ngoba indaba kaMakhwele isesense ukuthi akhulume ngayo. Amakhosikazi wakhe, they are not comfortable around Makhwele, basenza uMakhwele impilo yakhe ibenzima. But understandable, so mawungene esithembini, guys, mele understand the process yakhona, mele understand ukubekezela kakhona ukuthi into yakho izihambe kahle. Asina abantu abaningi bathi uMakhwele makabekezele, guys. Obvious, uMangwabi makafika, we were not there. We didn't see the process ukuthi uzofika la kukhona. But abayeni they've been saying ukuthi kuze sifike la sikhona kusebenzeke kanzima. uMangwabi makafika naye bangamukelanga, uMakhumalo bokunjalo, understand. So wonke unkosikazi ongenile nje bokuba nzima ukuthi kube right, kube nokuthula endlini nje, naye lo makabekezele kuzoba right, guys. I think eventually everything uzoba right. As uMosamselo kashilo ukuthi umayeni akasana inkinga number 5, akana inkinga nokuthi ukhulunywe number 5. She is comfortable, just that akafuni umthwalo ka number 5 uwele ngakuye. That means umayeni nje sekasukile ku list abantu abangamukelanga number 5. I know uMakhumalo uzolandela, kuzosala uMangwabi. Yena uMangwabi yathanda ukushintsha asho lokho ayenze lokho, because she has been saying ukuthi uzomshiya uMthombeni sonke siyabona ukuthi angeke azamshiye, and that is something that won't happen anytime soon. So now we know ukuthi indaba yokuthi uMangwabi uzophuma into engekho. So eventually naye or mabangahamba nje marriage counseling, I think bazoba right, bathole umuntu osentweni esithembu ozoba understandisa lo hambo, guys. So yesterday mangilo ngibukela ama-video komngcwabo kaBhutvukile, ngaphopha up ku-TikTok account yonkosikazi wakhe. I don't know whether it's the second wife or the third wife, but the lady looks very young. Ingane zakhe zisesezincane. I don't understand ukuthi encondweni yomuntu othatha isikhali adubule omunye umuntu kusuke kuhambani, like kusuke kwenzakalani encondweni yakhe, because lo muntu ushiya ingane encane, unengane engathi engakafundi isikole, unengane efunda ugrade 2 or ugrade 1. Uyanderstand ukuthi ingane sizokhula zinganababa, labakhosikazi sowayoba ama-single parent, just because umuntu decided ukuthi you know what, mina ngifuna ngathi lo muntu la emhlabeni akumelanga ahlale, kusho ukuthi wena lo mhlaba sowuyenze wakho, akusisowa kaNkulunkulu. You decided ngcono la emhlabeni umuntu angeke ahlale, kuhlale mina ngizomsusa la emhlabeni. That is wrong, guys, and I think we need to speak more about this thing okususa abantu emhlabeni. Ufifila ngathi umuntu ukonile, ngayovula icase, but le ukuthi uzomsusa emhlabeni ngale ndlela umsusa ngayo is wrong. Nje indaba yokususa omunye umuntu emhlabeni is totally wrong. But what I know about the karma in address wonke umuntu, and I just pray and hope ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzobakhanyisela kuleya family, batholakala abayenzi balesenzo abaseze uBhutvukile. That is all for now, bazalwane bami. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuka.